Hi guys, how you guys doing? Today I'm going to recommend you guys another great Wi-Fi smart home device. And this is the RGB Smart Wi-Fi light bulb. And it's a 5-watt light bulb, E14. And then it's for my bedroom lamp. Right, let's take a look how you're going to set it up. First of all, you guys have to download this Tunya Smart apps. Just need to scan this QR code and you just download. So after you download this app, you can just add the device. So choose lighting and choose the light source Wi-Fi. Then you plug the bulb in and on off for 3 times until the bulb blinks or flash like this. So after it flash, you just need to confirm flash. Then you can just click next. So you will start pairing with the light bulb. And after you link the light bulb with the Tunya apps, you can actually open up the Google Home apps. Press the plus sign, set up device, then works with Google. Then you can search the apps over here to link with the apps. Actually, I've already added the Tunya Smart. So we just need to authorize and link them together. Then you can use the voice control. Alright, let me show you how to control the light bulb. Turn on the bedroom light. Change the bedroom light to red color.
Alright, changing the bedroom light to red.
Change the bedroom light to blue color.
Alright, changing the bedroom light to blue.
Turn off the bedroom light.
Got it.
And this light bulb only costs about 10 USD. It's a RGB LED light bulb. You can control the brightness using the voice control, turn on and off. Alright, but be sure that your lamp holder, the maximum voltage it can hold, and you can find the suitable light bulb. Alright, this is a 5-watt light bulb, so you have to make sure that your lamp holder is suitable for this light bulb. Alright, it has got other voltage, so you need to find out the maximum voltage that your lamp holder can hold. So just to be safe, alright, do not overload your lamp holder. Okay, that's all for today, and thanks for watching. Stay safe and healthy. We'll see you soon. Bye.